Why did I buy here? Quick explanation. Why did I choose this long position at this price level? So I was waiting to get below this 1-hour candle that made a big movement in price, where I expect a quick reaction and reversal. I set my alert and it went off 2 minutes before the new 1-hour candle opening, what made it more attractive to enter this trade. My entry was around here, and I targeted the opening price of the previous 1-hour candle that made a nice price movement. This is the previous 1-hour candle I targeted, and it was aligning with mine Fibonacci levels. That's it for today. Good luck.